St. Anthony's Church Padukone was established in May 31, 1936, by the Bishop of Mangalore Diocese, Reverend Father Ruza Fernandez. Before the establishment of this church, the people of the area were going to Gangali Church. Father Peter Dissa was the first priest of the church, who was appointed on the 1st of June 1936. He worked hard for the development of the church. Initially it was a chapel. In the year 1938, Father John Marion Fernandez came as a new priest for the parish. During his period, he established St. Anthony Higher and Lower Primary Schools. He took the initiation of building a new church. The parish people helped a lot in building the new church. They did not have enough funds, but still all stood together along with the parish priest, and started the work. During that period, there was no machinery available, no vehicle for transportation, all the work done manually by the people of the parish. As the parish construction work continues, one fine day, parish priest, Father John Marion Fernandez died, because of ill health. During his demises, only half of the construction work was finished. Later, in the year 1954, Father Rafael Souza continued the construction work. The parish construction finished in the year 1958. This ceremony was done by the Bishop of Mangalore Diocese, Father Basil Ferris. The church celebrated Silver Jubilee on May 1962. After that, so many priests have come and gone. In the year 1974, Father Richard Saldana, appointed as the parish priest, who gave shape for the church by implementing electricity for the parish, and also during his period, the Bethany Convent established. During the period of Father Antonin Souza, the church celebrated its Golden Jubilee on 1986. Later in 2003, Father Philip Narayana came as a new parish priest. He also worked hard for the betterment of the parish. He took initiation of renovating the church. During his time only, the parish celebrated its Platinum Jubilee. The present modern development of the church and its surrounding is the gift of the current parish priest, Reverend Father Fred Mascarenhas. He arrived to this holy land in the year 2017. He is a passionate and always thinks about the betterment of the parish. He took the initiation and completed the house for the parish priest. He renovated the surrounding of the church to explore its inner beauty. Today the church is like a package of heaven on earth. This is the brief history of St. Anthony's Church Padukone. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. For upcoming videos, please click on bell icon. Thank you.